SprayX is a revolutionary cleaning product and does it all. You won't need any other cleaning product around. It has that X factor that lets you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying life. It is a heavy-duty, solvent-free, bleach-free cleaner, and it will clean grease, grime, and years of dirty buildup. SprayX can remove it all. It acts as a deodorizer by killing the things that causes the odor. It kills mold and mildew and prevents its regrowth. It disinfects and is part of Health Canada's list of disinfectants suitable for every application. Let's take a look at how SprayX can tackle these dirty warehouse floors where trucks come and go day in and day out. Nothing SprayX cannot handle. Or this bathroom. It is great for areas that are hard to keep smelling fresh. For outdoors, SprayX is good for coolers, patio furniture, decks, and barbecues. You can use it for your car, inside and out.